What's up, Love God's family? Welcome back to another video. It is good that we are alive, we are blessed, and we are highly favored. Yesterday, coming home from work, it was a rough one, guys. My car don't have any AC. Can you believe it? I send my car, I bring my car to get it fixed, and the mechanic put a new compressor in it, and the compressor is not working, and my mechanic is not even here. So yesterday when I was coming home, guys, it was raining. It was raining like crazy. No AC. I have to be driving with the windows, and the state that I am in is so hot, so I was driving with the windows down, and then came the rain. But anyway, guys, I made it home. I am alive and well. I am here with another video. I am making a avocado green smoothie. So I have some ingredients here. I have coconut water. I have avocado. I have some Seamoss. I have some spinach. I have some dates for natural sugar, my lemon, and a whole cucumber. So I'm just gonna run through as fast as I can with a little benefits that the ingredients help to support the body with. So the coconut water aids in hydration compared to sport drinks that have a lot of sugars and fake coloring, guys. The coconut water is low in calories and carbs. It's high in potassium. It's high in potassium, free of fat and cholesterol, aids in kidney stone prevention, and coconut water give us a healthier skin. The avocado improves and enhances wound healing. It also may reduce symptoms of arthritis, enhance the absorption of important nutrients. It even has benefits for our eyes, guys. I didn't know that avocado was such good benefits to the body until I am researching and reading. The spinach is called the green goodness, guys. It boosts your hydration, curbs your appetite. It helps prevent osteoporosis, cut the risk of iron deficiency, anemia. It strengthens our immune system, assists by development, keeps eyes healthy. Guys, the cucumber, I didn't know this about the cucumber. The cucumber are rich in electrolytes, guys. Electrolytes. I didn't know that. They can prevent dehydration, guys, and may support cardiovascular, bone and skin sickness, and are 96% water. Lemons are high in vitamin C, fiber, help control weights, and kidney stone reduction. Can you believe that, guys? Lemon can also help reducing the risk of cancer and improve digestion. So, guys, compiling all these ingredients together and putting them together in a green smoothie is definitely good for your body, your bone, your eyes, your blood, and people that have diabetes, that wicked disease. Using these ingredients are very good, and eliminating the other sugar and using fruits with natural sugar such as dates, bananas, raisins. All those ingredients are natural sugar, guys. So we're going to be compiling all these ingredients in the blender And then we are gonna come out with a real green goodness avocado smoothie. Stay tuned for this smoothie, guys. Don't miss that smoothie. Make sure you come and enjoy that smoothie with us. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you like my video. If you love anything, if you learn anything, like, share, subscribe with Ishi and the old lady, guys. Walk good until the smoothie pop out pa uno. Okay, guys, welcome back again. So we're gonna be incorporating the ingredients. That's the lemon. So guys, I am trying to eat as healthy as I possibly can because the doctor says that I have osteoporosis and I have arthritis. The osteoporosis, I don't really know how bad it is, but probably it's in the early stage. So I am trying to see how healthy I can eat to preventing the disease from progressing. So I am putting in the cucumber, the dates, the Seamoss, the spinach, and we are going to give it a healthy blend. So guys, have you drink this juice, this smoothie before? Have you ever drink this smoothie before? If not, I am challenging you to prepare this smoothie and start incorporate it in your body. Don't wait for osteoporosis. Don't wait for arthritis, because it's overall goodness for your body. It really helps with your health benefits and keep it to the highest capacity that you can be. I'm going to use all of the avocado because I want to make sure that I get a good amount of avocado in the smoothie. So guys, all these ingredients here is really good. It's really healthy. Really healthy. You cannot go wrong when you eat healthy. Honestly, we all gonna die someday. We all gonna die someday. It doesn't matter if you're rich, if you're poor, if you eat healthy or not. Death is certain. But until death comes, we're gonna take care of ourselves. We're gonna do our body justice by putting in the best ingredients out there that we can possibly put in our body. I'm going in with some ice because I would like to make sure it's cool when it's done. And last but not least, the coconut water, guys. And it's also hydrating, very hydrating. And as the ingredients on the cucumber says, we want everything that promotes hydration. And I really did not know that the cucumber is high in electrolytes. That was a shocker for me when I did the research and I realized that the cucumber, because when I need to get extra electrolytes, I normally go buy some Pedialytes, guys. I'm not lying. And even drink the same coconut water here. But now I know that the cucumber is high in electrolytes and it's 95% water. I know that it has a lot of water, but I really didn't know about the electrolytes, guys. I'm gonna start my blender and you're gonna see that goodness going on right there. I am pulsing it first so it kind of gets all the ingredients chopped. So we're gonna open the blender. To show you. There's a piece of spinach hiding on the top. Smells so good, guys. See, guys, see how good it looks, guys. Nice and smooth. Pure goodness for the body. No added sugar. Just a little ice and the coconut water, guys. I'm gonna cheers with my hubby. And then I'm gonna drink. Cheers. Long life.
Goodness and healthiness all put together in one. Enjoy.
So good, guys. So very good. See, guys, was full, almost empty.